Here we go. Alright, go. Oh, I've seen a lot of bear sign out here. But I have not seen any wildlife this morning. It's been pretty quiet. So this little section right here that I'm doing is the Tucker Lake. So this one is 6.6 miles. The last one I just did was 1.8. Still again, I've shed my pullover off and down to just a t-shirt. I'm gonna tell you what, it's perfect weather. Perfect. Hopefully my shadow doesn't look like the shadow of a Sasquatch while I'm walking. Have to do the step. Alright, that's it for now.